name is Charles Lever James. I was born in Live Oak, Florida, October 24th, 1923. I entered the service in October 22nd, 1942, and discharged in December 10th, 1945. October 24th, last Thursday, I was 90 years old, and that's the reason I celebrated with a sky jump with my wife, a couple of my daughters, and a lot of friends. We had a wonderful time. All my life I've been very, very active and never had any problems. I believe it was in May of 2012, May the 12th and the 14th, I had 2 heart attacks. The last heart attack was early, about 2:30 on a Wednesday morning, lasted for about 2 hours, and I made a decision to go to the hospital. My wife and I got dressed and I drove to the hospital in DeLand, Florida. And they discovered I had 3 blocked arteries on the right side and 1 blocked on the left. And all the time, I was never hurting in my chest or anywhere else except my back. And of course, all this time I had arthritis or whatever it was in my neck. I couldn't turn my neck right or left very well. My wife was having to look out the side of the car to see if anybody was coming. Anyway, after surgery, I decided I better, my daughter Celia, who worked for Dr. Wong, it was an ARC, and I knew that I needed something on my back, and the muscles in my chest was getting contracted and hurting me quite a bit when I was trying to sleep. My neck was giving me a lot of trouble, but my back mainly. So I finally came out to see Dr. Wong, and he started working on my back and loosened up all the muscles and the bones in my back, and it felt quite good. They also used the cups on my back, which alleviated a lot of my problems in my back. My back still gives me a little bit of trouble, but as soon as I get up and exercise, it gets better, so there's no big problem there. And the muscles in my chest was giving me a lot of problems during the nighttime trying to sleep. Dr. Wong did a lot of manipulating on my chest muscles and got those, whether they were more stretchable, pliable, whatever term you want to use. And then the most, I think the best treatment I had was when he got a hold of my neck muscles and manipulated the bones in my neck and the muscles in my neck. And he did one kind of a snap pop on my neck, and it was painful, instantaneous, and then it stopped almost instantaneous. And I could move my neck back and forth at that time, which was very relieving. Yes, I had acupuncture here almost every treatment I had, and they were very invigorating. They seemed to help my muscles on my back, and well, on my chest is where they did that, and the cup was on my back. But everything was very, very good. The treatments I had helped me tremendously doing the skydive because I was in no trouble, no pain. My back was not bothering me. I was standing erect. If I sit any length of time, my back does give me trouble until I move around for about 5 or 10 minutes, and then my back is much, much better. So I was relieved very much and was able to skydive. I was very happy of the treatment that I had at the ARC. All the staff was excellent. I can't ask for a better group of people from front to rear end.